Longest electrical stimulation machine LGT2320B is a non-invasive medical method for body sculpting, widely used in beauty clinics. In this video, we are to show you how to use this device. Before use, please note that this treatment is inapplicable to the following conditions. The machine can be applied to treat arms, abdomen, hips, and thighs. First, wipe the treated areas clean with 75% medical alcohol. Wrap the straps around the treated areas. Please note that do not wrap too tightly, leave about 2-finger space. Then apply gels evenly on pads. Fixate the pads between the treated areas and the straps. The pads should be placed against the skin. Switch on the machine. There are 9 treatment modes for therapists to choose from: standard, toning, fast slim, lymph drainage, relaxation, abdomen, thighs and hips, facial, bust. In general, standard mode can meet most of body treatment needs. Then select the channel group you use, channel 1 to channel 6 or channel 7 to channel 12. Tap the up or down button. Or use the rotary knob to set the treatment time. Press the start button to start the treatment. Then select the channels and adjust the intensity using rotary knob. You can adjust the intensity of each channel separately, or select all channels and adjust them at the same time. The machine then starts delivering electrical pulses to create strong muscle contractions that are hard to achieve through exercise. In this way, it helps lose fat, improves muscle strength and maximizes muscle building. The machine has been equipped with 12 independent treatment channels, which allows simultaneous treatment of multiple parts, greatly improving the efficiency. Please note that the machine is set up screen lock. If you don't operate the device for more than 5 seconds, the device will be locked automatically. You can press any intensity button to unlock the device. You can press the stop button when your patient feels any discomfort during the session. The patient can also press the patient safety switch to stop the treatment. When the treatment session is completed, the buzzer will sound 3 times, the output of electrical current stops and the machine resumes to pre-start state. Remove the straps and pads from the patients. And wipe the treated areas clean. Wipe clean the used pads and then place them back to the holder. Longest electrical stimulation machine LGT2320B hits every muscle and builds the perfect body effortlessly.